How to put Ask Me a Question in Instagram story. In order to do that, click on this right here in order to create your story. And then for this case, let's head over and you can actually choose the video or photos that you want to actually post. So for this case, I'll head over and then post this one right here. And then on this, I'll head over and then just click on this story icon or this sticker icon. Now in here, you can see all of those stickers that is actually this options right here. So if you can see the Ask Me a Question, you can head over and then just search for it. So it's actually named questions. So just head over and then just search for it. And you can see in here this questions option. Click on that. And you can see in here and Ask Me a Question. Now you can also change this to your liking and then click on done. Then click on this your story right here in order to post this your story. So that's how you put Ask Me a Question in Instagram story. Hope we helped.